what, this Suburban isn't giving them much of a fight. I'm just right with him the whole time. It's fog ain't no joke, but there's the sun. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I said, it's alright. Oh yeah, there's some beetles in this head too, do y'all know that? Was that the monkey? I think that's the beetles. Yeah, let's go with the beetles. What's with all the Darwin-esque band names? Yeah, you weren't famous unless you were named after somebody from the animal kingdom, the beetles, the monkeys. Is there a group name? No, teddy bears aren't from the animal kingdom. The bears. You name your group the bears. I don't know. Wow, guys, I have been spoiled. Me going on the epic ride in the mountains and the thing. This little drum drive through Gibsonville just is not doing it for me. Just is not. I mean, it's getting me to my work, but you know. Let's put a little spice in it somewhere. A little bit of spice. Spicy. 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 I don't know what I'm saying. Ow! Bug! Anyhow, ow. That one hit me right on the upper thigh, and that one hurt, man. What's up with the bugs? Anyhow, so something's back, a few days, few episodes. I'm not sure how it really is going to work out on the YouTubes, but you know, I moved the camera angle up so you see less this and more this, you know. I think it worked out pretty well. Look, Suburban just gave up. He just said, I don't want to play no more. I'm going to go on a different road. I was chasing a Suburban, and I found a Tahoe. The Suburban got away. Ooh, I love Mr. Shady. Said it is awesome. This weather is awesome. Just cool enough to make you happy. I know it gets cold though. I know it gets cold enough to hurt. I know that's coming. But right now it's just cool enough to make you happy. I sure hate to sweat. Sweating on a motorcycle is not too bad because it's like instant evaporation. When you stop, woo, freaking waterfalls of sweat. In the summer, right now it's just cool enough to be happy. Well, they killed a bunch of trees. There used to be a whole bunch of trees along there, and they did. I'm not a tree hugger, but yeah, for real though. For what though?